Hi, I'm Chandra. I'm the Director of Elementary Education. I give Guidebook 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. Before Guidebook, we were strictly using paper documents. Guidebook provided an opportunity for us to use an app, and it made to make it easier for people to see the schedule, to select the workshops that they wanted to attend at the conference we were presenting. So the ease of Guidebook was really what we were looking for as we were trying to determine what we were going to use to market and organize our conference. I had experienced Guidebook at many other conferences, and one of the reasons that I looked into Guidebook was because I like the feature of being able to see the entire conference and selecting my choices of what I wanted to attend during the week. And I wanted to provide the teachers in my district with that same option as we have a 3-day conference. And it just helped to really personally organize their schedules, to see the conference at a glance, to make decisions, look at descriptions, create a schedule for themselves that was really personal and catered to them, and not having to flip through this a book all the time, but being able to see their schedule after they created it right there in their palm of their hands with their phone. Getting Guidebook set up actually was much easier than I had anticipated. Once I had all of the pieces to my program designed, it was easy to set that up in Guidebook. The customer service was great. There were tutorials on the Guidebook site that kind of help walk you through, but we did actually were able to talk to a live person. When we did have some concerns or issues, we were able to get those things worked out. And actually, as far as apps go, I felt like it was really a great process, and it looked professional and just really easy to set up. If you are looking for a great management option for organizing a big event, I would suggest using Guidebook. It is accessible to everyone at your conference. I think it was very cost effective. You would be surprised. You would think it would cost more to use it, but I would recommend it. It's cost effective and easy to use.